Fully automatic knife sharpener, alloy drill bit grinding tutorial. Connecting to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Click to enter the processing interface. Click on the tool type. Select a 3-bevel drill bit and the corresponding drill bit diameter size. After selecting, click Confirm. Open the machine sliding door. Turn on the LED work light. Select the corresponding size CR collet. Remove the chuck cover. Put the ER collet into the collet cover and install it on the center shaft. Insert the drill bit that needs sharpening. Locking tool. Click the Start button at the bottom of the screen. The machine will automatically complete the tool grinding according to the program settings. Loosen the chuck cover and remove the drill bit. Drill bit grinding completed. Effect display.